Hi friends, welcome you to my channel Aliens HR. Friends, today we will discuss about the 360-degree appraisal system. 360-degree appraisal is also known as modern appraisal system. So in this topic we will cover number first, meaning of 360-degree appraisal, second, structure of 360-degree appraisal, third, why 360-degree appraisal comes into existence, number fourth, merits of 360-degree appraisal, fifth, demerits of 360-degree appraisal. So we will start from the definition. So 360-degree feedback is a multi-source assessment of employees where employees' performance is assessed and feedback is recorded from a number of sources that may include the managers, subordinates, colleagues and customers. So practically in the organization, nowadays a set of questions has been prepared according to the designation and his roles and responsibility. And via a online platform, employees are requested to give his feedback. This feedback form helps to assess the employees in terms of below aspects: leadership, teamwork, communication, adaptability, receiveness. So a regular feedback from multiple sources helps leaders and managers to gain positive reinforcement on behavior attributes. 360-degree feedbacks enables employees to give open or anonymous feedback to top leaders. Employees feels that their opinion are really valued and management get the insight of leaders' behavior which has been perceived by employees. Here you can see the structure of 360-degree appraisal system. Also you can see how the assessment is done in 360-degree, starting from your junior or colleagues to the manager and customers. Now, why 360-degree appraisal comes in existence? We all know about the other different types of appraisal system. So what was those reasons which create an opportunity or need to introduce 360-degree appraisal system? So here we have find out the reason which leads to introduce modern appraisal system. Number first, biasness. Number second, lack of transparency. Number third, favoritism. Here we have listed down some advantages of 360-degree appraisal system. Those are: number first, provides a complete assessment. Number second, increase teamwork. Number third, share perceptions. Number fourth, garners more feedback. Number fifth, allow anonymity. Number sixth, promotes self-awareness. Number seventh, identifies trainings gap. Number eight, increase productivity and relationship. Number 9th, give insight into work. Number 10, bring transparency. Same here, we have listed down some disadvantages of 360-degree appraisal. That is, number first, time consuming. Number second, not always positive. Number third, dishonesty and inaccuracy. Number fourth, distrust. Number fifth, anonymity in terms of focused on weakness only. Number sixth, poor execution. So that's all for today's video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.